On this channel, I always say live simple and enjoy life's golden moments along the way. And this is what I mean. The simplest things can just help you to just chill, reflect on things, and just take a moment to just breathe, to just be in that very moment. Because y'all, this life can be exhausting, it could be overwhelming, and you can sometimes feel burned out because you always just have to feel like you're on the go, that you have to constantly work your productivity. And y'all, I was like, not today. So I went to the beach and it was just awesome. It was what I needed. Just sit out, listen to the waves, just be in the sun. And I had my yarn because I was making my florals, my yarn florals, and I just need to be outside in nature, and I needed to create. And y'all, this made me feel so good, so good. Because when you're doing something that you love, I mean, the joy, I'm telling you, it's almost unexplainable. But y'all, as you could see, I was a little struggling with this tent. You know, the hubs, he showed me how to put it together the night before. But it took me some time, but I did finally get it. And y'all, just take the time to be outside and just reflect on things. You know, the way this world is, it's more to life than work and getting to the next level of, you know, I mean, people try to climb the corporate ladder. That's not me. That's not here. That's not here. I'm all about just the simple things, enjoying the simple things, because those simple things can definitely bring you joy. Just being outside, being outside in nature just helps you put things in perspective, you know, especially things in life, and just help you to reflect on what's really important. And feet in the sand and just being outdoors and not stuck in the office in front of your computer screen under fluorescent lights. It just felt so good. And this is what I mean, simple living, enjoying the simple things in life. And guys, don't forget that.